Hello students, today we will discuss about more on MS PowerPoint 2010. First of all, introduction. MS PowerPoint is a very useful application software which is used to create electronic presentation. It allows the user to create dynamic slide presentation that may include animation, narration, images, videos, graphs, charts and diagrams to make the presentation interesting, engaging, the easier to understand. A presentation is made up of several slides. The presentation can be shown on a projector or any display system. It can also be printed and used as handouts. You can also embed speaker notes in each slide. Okay students, first of all, applying themes. A theme is a set of predefined layouts that can be used to add a professional touch in your presentation. The Design tab in PowerPoint provide a variety of options for designing and formatting a presentation. They include predefined color plates, fonts, backgrounds, and formatting effects. You can also customize the existing theme or build your own theme. First of all, PowerPoint has a number of built-in themes you can choose from. Open an existing presentation. You can change the theme in presentation by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on Design tab. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the theme. Step 3. The design is reflected immediately on your slide, so you can see how it will look if you apply this design theme on your presentation. Step 4. Click the design theme thumbnail when you find one that suits your needs. The selected theme will be applied to your presentation. Okay students, next one is changing theme color scheme. Changing theme color schemes. Once you have selected a style of design theme that you like for your PowerPoint presentation, you can change color of theme from the one that is currently applied. To do this, step 1. Click on the colors command at the right end of the themes group on the design tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over the various color schemes shown in the drop-down list. The current choice will be reflected on the slide. Step 3. Click the mouse when you find the right color scheme. Next one is changing theme fonts. Step 1. Click on the fonts command at the right end of the themes group in the design tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the font families to see how this group of fonts will look on your presentation. Step 3. Click the mouse when you have found suitable font family. This font family will be applied on your presentation. Changing theme backgrounds. Just as you were able to change the background on a plain PowerPoint slide, you can do the same while using one of the many themes. You can also customize the background of individual slides by changing the color and adding shading, texture or patterns. Step 1. Click the background style command in the background group on the design tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the background style. Step 3. The background style will be reflected on the slide for you to evaluate. Step 4. Click when you find a background style that you like. नेक्स्ट वन इज एडिंग साउंड. अगर आपने कोई प्रेजेंटेशन में साउंड ऐड करना है तो उसके लिए होता है एडिंग साउंड. You can also add audio files in your presentation. This audio file can be as background music or explaining your points in a slide. To add sound to the presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on audio command on the insert tab on the ribbon to open insert audio dialog box. Step 2. Navigate and select the audio file to be inserted and click on Insert button. Step 3. This will insert a speaker icon on the slide. Step 4. Click on button to preview the audio. You can also add your own voice as a narration or commentary to the topic of presentation. To do this, a microphone is needed to be attached to the computer. Once the microphone is attached, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the drop down arrow below the audio icon on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Select Record Audio option to open Record Sound dialog box. Step 3. Click on Record button to start recording your voice. Step 4. Click on Stop button to stop recording. Step 5. Click on OK button to insert the audio on the slide. The audio clip, once inserted, can be deleted by selecting the speaker icon inserted on the slide and pressing delete or del key. Okay students, next one is adding video. अगर आपने वीडियो ऐड करनी है तो you can add video files also in your presentation. This video file can be played at a particular time while running a slide show. To add video to the presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Video command on the Insert tab on the ribbon to open Insert Video dialog box. Step 2. Navigate and select the video file to be inserted and click on Insert button. Step 3. This will insert the video along with the play control bar at the bottom of the clip. Step 4. Click on button to preview the video. Next one is slide transition. Transition determine how your presentation move from one slide to the next. PowerPoint provides several transitions methods. You can add transitions by the given steps. Step 1. Choose a slide. Step 2. Click on the Transitions tab of the ribbon to access the slide's transitions options. The most common slide transitions are shown as icon on the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the More button to see the complete list of transitions available or scroll through the list one row at a time. With PowerPoint 2010, you have the ability to see the transition effects on the slide by placing the mouse over the transitions choice prior to making your selection. Okay students, there are several options that you can choose to add your PowerPoint 2010 slides. Sound and its duration, whether to apply to these slides only or apply to all slides. Moving to next slide on mouse click or automatically after a set of number of seconds. Next one, there are many sound effects to choose from. Sound effects can be effective if applied wisely to PowerPoint slide transistors. For example, a presentation that is about the increasing sales figure might be effective with a cash register sound effect on a slide transistors. There are also an option to loop until next sound, which you can apply to the slide transitions. This option will be repeat the selected sound till there is no new sound introduced in the presentation. Next one is custom animation. Custom animation. Animation can be used in PowerPoint to make a presentation more interesting. Animation helps in giving a moving effect to the text and other objects on a slide. To apply animation to text or objects, follow the steps. Step 1. Click on the image or the text you would like to animate. Step 2. To select a whole text box, click on the border of the text box. It will automatically send in the text by paragraphs unless you highlighted all the text in the box, in which case it all comes in at the same time. Step 3. Click animation tab. Step 4. You can either open the animation pane or use the drop down list. Step 5. Select the animation effects you would like. There are entrance, exist, emphasis and pass. Step 6. Specify whether you want your animation to start on mouse click, after previous, or with previous. After previous option is used to start animation of the selected object when animation effect of previous object is complete. With previous option is used to start animation of the selected object simultaneously with the animation of the previous object. Step 7. You can preview the effect of animation by selecting preview command from animation tab or play button in the animation pane. Next one is reordering the animation. Next one is reordering the animation. To reorder animation of different objects, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the number of effects you want to change. Step 2. From the animation tab, click the move earlier or move later command to change the ordering. Step 2. From the animation tab, click the move earlier or move later command to change the ordering in ordering animation. Next one is running a slideshow. The slideshow tab will let you set up how your show will progress. First, you may want to preview your raw show to see if the slides seem in the proper order and if you like the transistors to preview. Click the slideshow tab. Select either from beginning to see the how from the first slide or from current slide to see the show onwards from the slide selected in a slide pane. Click the mouse to move the next slide during the slide show. Okay students, next one is reboot. MS PowerPoint helps us to add graphics, picture and animated text. A theme is a set of predefined layouts that can be used to add a professional touch to your presentation. You can change the color, font and background in one slide or all slides. Audio and video can be inserted in the slide. Slides can be run one after to the other to form a slideshow. Animation is addition of special visual sound effects to the text and graphs in a slide. Okay students, thanks. Have a great day.